welcome back to my channel. So today, if you guys don't already know, it is Amazon Prime Day. I try to just stick to crafty stuff, but there's tons of other bloggers that share like home goods stuff, decor, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. For a Amazon member, you'll see like a blue square, and that's how you're going to know it's a Prime deal. And just be careful, it's kind of like Black Friday. Sometimes they jack up the price. Like right here, they say it was $1,097, but was it really? Like, you don't really know unless you've been eyeing it or you've bought it in the past. This year, Amazon Prime is 2 days. It is the 12th and the 13th. Normally, it's just one day. They have lightning deals, which are only like, see how it's only good for however many hours, or only so many units are on sale, stuff like that. So when you're clicking and looking throughout stuff, like, to me, this is not a prime deal because there's no blue square. Some stuff is on sale, I did notice, and they don't have that little blue sticker that says prime deal on it. But this is advertised on their homepage that it's a prime deal, so I don't know what the deal with that is. But let me jump to my stuff. So the first thing is this snap and pliers set. I think I shared this last year as well because a lot of people had them. It works best like if you laminate stuff and then also like fabric and stuff. But anyway, there is other sets that don't come with this like cute pink pliers, or they have the mint one as well. But look, at these are on sale for $20.72. The other ones, they're not on sale. They're only $23 something. So I mean, you're only saving $3, but still, with this inflation, that's a great price if you're trying to save some money. So super cute, and it comes with all the colors for the little snaps and the tools that you need to be able to use this. Next is a heat press. This is not the Cricut one, but this is like, you know, a knockoff. This is $79, and normally these guys, because I have looked, are the same price as the Cricut at $100. So they are on sale. This one is, at least, and it's $79. This is a lightning deal. So it says right here in the corner, 93% claimed. That means only 7% left of what they have in inventory is going to be like that sale price. Okay. So let me close those out. If you guys do sublimation with your printer and stuff, this brand, the Haipu, is actually a Prime Day deal. If you can see right here, the little square, and you save $6. So there was other brands, but they weren't marked down for the Prime Day. So just a heads up if you do some of that printing. Next, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I was trying to do I was redoing my pantry. I just moved into my house, and I have these bamboo things that hold the Ziplock bags. So I was just going to share that. It is on sale for $19, Prime Day deal. Not really craft related. Then these guys, I will also insert a video if I can merge, because I'm on my computer and then I have video on my phone. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. But I put these on my Cricut Maker, and it swivels around so it doesn't scratch my table when I'm pulling it in and out of the shelf unit that I have. This does come with a pack of 8 versus 4. There, like, literally there's $1 price difference, not even. So I got 8 just in case like something came broken or they pop off. I don't know. But these work, and I use them, and they are on a Prime Day deal. So you get 8 little feet, basically, and you can stick them on your Cricut machines or other things that you want to slide around easily. So there's those guys. And then this is the shelf. Thanks to Buzzin' with V, she shared with me her shelf because I sent out like a SOS, like how can I stack my Cricut and my Silhouette, and these fit the Cricut Maker, the first one. I don't know if there's other ones now. And then the Silhouette Cameo 3 I put on top, and I'll insert a footage as well. So this is not on sale, but it has a 5% coupon right here. So you could add that if you wanted. Next is the Fomemo wireless printer. This is the little 2-inch one. I have it, and it's on sale. They also have the mint one, and it's going down to $37.49. So great deal. And it is a thermal printer. I don't know if I mentioned that. So people said, oh, your images and this and that is going to disappear after a year. It's like a receipt, blah, 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 blah. I labeled a bunch of stuff for my linen closet. I have these big bins, so I wanted like my sheets all labeled so people could easily change their beds. And it's still there. Like it's still printed. It has not rubbed off. It has not faded, and it's been 3 years. So I do like this little printer for bigger labels that you need to print out. And then this stuff, this is craft plastic. This is the stuff I use for shakers. I do have some clearance Michael stuff, but it's definitely not as thick. This is a thicker acetate. It doesn't say acetate, but it's acetate. And I like it, that way when I'm doing thin borders and frames, when you're gluing that down, this is a thicker plastic, so it's not like collapsing when you're pushing on it. And it does have a 5% when you're applying this coupon, and it is on sale right now. And the only reason I know that it's on sale today is because I added a bunch of Crafty stuff to my cart yesterday before Prime Day happened, and this stuff was $20. So they did something to make it come down to $17.73 plus an additional 5% off. So you get 25 pieces. Make sure you select that pack, and the 12 by 12 as well. Mine has lasted me forever. I think I've only repurchased this once because like I said, 25 sheets has lasted me a really long time. So yeah, there's obviously you can look around if you're looking for other stuff, back to school stuff. But yeah, have fun, guys. Let me know what you purchased down below. Maybe I could go look. You know what? I think I need a utensil thing. So I'm going to go creep the specials as well. All right, bye guys. Thanks for